What if I told you that the way middle-class families build wealth is about to change forever? Not in 10 years. Not in 5. Right now, in 2026. The housing market is going through a shift so massive that financial experts are calling it a once-in-a-generation turning point. And if you don't understand what's happening, you could miss the biggest wealth-building opportunity of your lifetime. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's changing, why it matters, and what you need to do about it. For decades, the middle class had one reliable path to building wealth: buy a home, pay it off, watch it appreciate. Simple, predictable, safe. But that formula, it's breaking down. Interest rates played chaos with affordability. Home prices in major cities became a joke, a cruel one. Young professionals watched their parents' strategy become completely out of reach. And for millions of middle-class families, the dream of homeownership started feeling less like a goal and more like a fantasy. So what changed? And more importantly, what's changing now? Here's what the data is telling us in 2026. Number 1, secondary markets are exploding. Cities like Boise, Huntsville, Greenville, and Spokane are seeing massive population inflows. Remote work didn't die, it evolved. And people are moving to affordable cities where their dollar goes 3 times further. Number 2, build-to-rent communities are reshaping how Americans live. These aren't your grandma's apartment complexes. We're talking single-family homes, community amenities, professional management built specifically for renters. And investors are pouring billions into this sector because the demand is absolutely insatiable. Number 3, home equity is being unlocked differently. With new financial products emerging, homeowners are tapping into their equity without refinancing at brutal rates. This is creating a new layer of liquidity for middle-class families that simply didn't exist 5 years ago. Number 4, AI and technology are making real estate investing accessible. Fractional ownership platforms now allow everyday people to invest in properties for as little as $100. The barrier to entry has collapsed. So what does this mean for you? If you already own a home, congratulations. Your asset is sitting at the center of the biggest economic repositioning in modern history. But only if you play it smart. If you don't own a home yet, this is not the moment to panic. This is the moment to educate yourself and position strategically. The middle class that wins in this new era won't be the one that simply buys a house and waits. It will be the one that understands real estate as an ecosystem, where to invest, how to leverage equity, and when to move. The families who pay attention right now will look back at 2026 as the year everything clicked. The ones who don't, they'll spend the next decade wondering how they missed it. If this video opened your eyes even a little, smash that like button and subscribe, because we're going deep on every single one of these trends in the coming weeks. Drop a comment below. Do you currently own a home, or are you still trying to get into the market? I read every single one. The 2026 housing revolution is here. The only question is, are you ready?